Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Classroom and join it on POCO X4 GT. So in order to do this, let's open Google Play Store. From here find Google Classroom, install it. After installation is complete, we can open it, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use on this device, and right here click on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code, and simply then join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.